YouTube. Listen, family, if you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. If you made money today, Coach want to hear all about it, all right? I don't care if it was to the upside, to the downside. If you got busy, let me know. Guys, we have been gifted a play that could do wonders for us. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit on today. So stay tuned for that, okay? But before we do that, Coach got to go and do his favorite part of every video, which is loving on a family. And we have another individual that has completed the 100K challenge. Rondell Lewis. If you guys see him, love on him, go find him in the Discord, go find him in the comments. He titled this $100,000 challenge met and still going. Rondell Lewis. Peace, Coach. I never thought I would be sending this message, honestly. I retired early after working 22 years as a civil servant. During this time, I maxed out my TSP with all of my contributions, focused on the C Fund, which tracks the S&P 500, which was a monumental investment. I watched certain financial channels. However, the algorithm recommended your channel. I found it late November 2024, fam. You changed my whole investment strategy. I watched all your videos, specifically options trading. I opened my Robinhood account December 4th. Listen to this, guys. 2024 with $1,000. I started option trading and got my head kicked in. As a former student athlete, I had to go back and watch film on options. My mistakes being new to options trading, held on too long, let my green turn red. I kept watching your moves and made the corrections needed for success. Then at the end of December 2024, the market went down. I made a sacrifice to keep buying and tune out the noise. After the tariff interruption turned the market, I just kept buying, and boom, I'm at $100,000 and still going. Fam, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have added so much value in my life on this investment journey. My wife and I had our first child in February 2025. I showed her my balance, and she was excited and couldn't believe it. To anyone out here who follows Coach, we can have life changes with proper investment and education with Coach. Thanks again, fam. I'm going to keep going. If you're ever in the city of Chicago, I got you. Keep coaching us up. P.S. I had to go over $100,000 as I brought $8,000 from profits made from December 2024. Had to show you that I'm not cutting corners, fam. Thank you again. Guys, I have his portfolio. I have the numbers. But more importantly, we have another individual, an everyday, regular person who just tap in with Coach. And I'll try to tell you guys, this is possible, okay? This is possible for even you. Rondell Lewis, I want to say major salute. I am beyond proud of you. I'm proud of all you guys, man, because the only thing Coach asks is to get 1% better each day. And you guys are doing that. The wins and losses come with the game. I don't care about that as much as I care about the daily progression, and you guys on so many levels have done that. I hear it definitely on my coaching calls every single day on how you guys are doing. So man, if you see Rondell, please love on him. We are going to keep putting the smackdown on the month of May, like I told you guys from the start. If you made money, let me know down in the comments below. This will be one of you guys next. All right, check it out. The SPY. Really quickly, I want to go over this. It is currently sitting at 592. I called out the levels today. I'm going to call them out for tomorrow, okay? I need you to know support is around 590. Give yourself a buffer of 589, 588. Okay, that's the low end. The high end is going to be 594. We're going to be playing within that range until we are no longer playing within that range. Let me know if that's understood. So either we're going to break 589 and go down further, or we're going to break 594 and go higher, but you get busy within that range while it's there, okay? Guys, the SPY was trading sideways today. Really not much to write home about. At the end of the day, we finally got a significant move, but it was to the downside. But again, if you made money, regardless of any of that, I want to hear about it. Okay, you can make money in both directions. You can do puts, you can do calls, you can take what the market give you. That is a-okay. That's what I encourage. That's the one difference between me and everybody else. If you rock with the same gang, okay. Now the stock that is going to be a gift, okay. This just crashed to $200, and already it is roaring back, sitting at 318 at the time of this recording. But CrowdStrike was the last stock most recent that I seen do this, okay? And I don't want you guys to miss UNH, or United Health, okay? Health care is already a sector that a lot of times the Wall Street, the hedge funds actually flee to. This year it's been gold. So GLD is the play to go to for this year if there's some turmoil in the market. If you want a money team, you already know about GLD and how we crush it with that week in and week out, okay? But it used to be, if gold wasn't in that spot, it'd be this particular play right here that would be in that spot. But this year, they're not getting the love. However, I know history repeats itself often. The way this crashed looks like, now mind you, this is a $600 stock. So if you guys buy it here, anybody that say they need to double their money, anybody that needs to do something in the next 3 to 6 months, this is the time frame I want you to have. So everybody write 3 to 6 months, okay? Might not take that long, but I at least want you to give yourself a buffer. UNH is a $600 stock. I would not be surprised that this recaptures the $600 level, okay? If we get back to a 6 handle from a 3 handle, that is a 100% move. That is a double up on your money. So on any future dips beginning tomorrow, this should trade sideways and come down, okay? So it might come to 314 or 312, stuff like that, okay? But if it comes that level and lower, after you do your puts, if you feel like doing that, I want you guys to be thinking a long call, 3 months or 6 months out. So at the bare minimum, you can put it out 1 month if you get it low. This is assuming you getting it low, okay? So everybody say buy low if this is something you consider. You are to buy low. So lower than the price you see today. So it got to be below 318 for you to partake in this. You can put it out 1 month, preferably 3 months or 6 months to change your life, because this will double. Last year, guys, CrowdStrike crashed horribly. They had the outage, all the airplanes went down, all the companies' systems went down that they are our business partners to, and their stock plummeted. This looks, how the chart looks very similar to how CrowdStrike looked, okay? And so UNH will have a chance to make a full recovery, whether, look, listen to this, they hire a new CEO, or whether just in general, the sentiment just changed because it's so oversold. They crushed it down so much. You only can do good companies like that for so long, okay? Until, and I'm not judging whether or not this is a good company. No, I'm just saying this is a Wall Street darling. This is the stock they love. Like, they didn't know about Palantir. They was playing this. Let me know if that's understood. They didn't know about all the heavy hitters. They were playing UNH. They were playing Lockheed Martin. They playing all that stuff. That's them, their kind of plays. You know what I'm saying? Conoco Phillips, Centennial, Cisco. That's what Wall Street like. So they don't know about like Palantir. They don't know about the home run plays, the momentum plays, the plays that change your life. That's just how we dominate them. But this is one of their babies. This is one of their darlings. So what you think they're going to do? If they all own it, they're going, and if they got out of it or they want to get back into it, that's going to be incentive for it to go back up. So put a 600 handle on this from 300 handle. 200 is even better if you get it in the twos. If you just come back to 285 or something, you can get this at 285, 268, something like that, and then this go to 600. It's going back up there. So that's a given. That part is a given, okay? You just got to have the time. You have to allow the time for it to get there. Somebody go study, do a case study on CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD. Go find when it crashed. It was last year, okay? and then watch the recovery it made to get back to where it crashed from, and then to go even higher. I foresee this. I don't know about higher, but I foresee at least getting back to where it fell from, between the $500 and $600 level. So listen, man, coach just want to put that on you guys. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. If you made money today, please share with the family down in the comments below on how you did, what you did, and how much you made. Okay, we are about progress around here. Okay, and that's all coach is looking for. You guys getting better each and every day. All right, so listen, man, we're gonna take it one day at a time, one play at a time. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.